Very good morning students, welcome back to second year physics. So in the previous class, we finished about a electric potential statement related to the dimensional formula as well as the potential difference and as well as the earth is considered as a zero potential is over. Now let us will move to the next one. So there is a one question is there, that is electric potential due to a point charge. This is also for 4 marks. Find electric potential due to point charge. This is for 4 marks question, right? So once you check in the previous years, this question was given 3-4 times, right? Before that, I'll tell you one. We know the force, electrostatic force, 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q1 q2 by r square. So that we can also say 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught is nothing but a k. So here we can say F is equal to k into q1 q2 by r square it is. And as well as E also we know 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q by r square, or in simple manner q k by r square. Like that, in the same way, now we have to derive the expression for electrostatic potential, or we can say electric potential. Now let us you keep these expressions and you remember in your minds, or you keep it in your minds. Coming to the point is, see, let us consider a one charge q which is placed at a point. See, now let us you place a one charge q is placed at a point O. This is also positive charge. Due to positive charge, the field will act in all direction like this, right? You take one direction, you consider only one direction, any one direction. Suppose you take a one direction like this. So due to positive charge at a point, then there will be a field acting due to this till a point. You say some point is A, your wish, A or B, something like that, right? So now he is asking find the electric potential at a point P due to the charge bringing, right? At this point we have to get the potential in a field at any point, so that that distance you say some r or something. This distance you say from O. Now electric potential is nothing but you take a charge. So the charge is a q naught. It is a positive charge which is bringing from infinite, right? And it is bringing from infinite and is placed at a point is A. Of course, there is a work is said to be done by the bringing of a q naught charge from infinite, and it is placed at a point A. So there is a distance between this plus q and q naught is, you say, x. So there is a force is acting between the two charges according to the Coulomb's law, or Coulomb's law of force. That is, F is equal to k into, there is a charge is q naught by distance is x square, right? It is what it is, the force is acting between the two charges. Clear? Now let us, because the charge is bringing from infinite, actually we have to find the electric potential at a point P in a field. Now this charge is again moved from A to B against the field, because the field is E is acting till a point q naught. Now there will be this charge is moved from A to B against the field due to this plus q, and it is moved through a small distance, you say dx, against the field. Of course we are moving against, no, there will be a opposition is acting. There is a work is said to be done by the moving of a unit of positive test charge from A to B, because we are moving from A to B. There is a more opposition will act, so that there is a work is said to be done. You write here, work done by the moving of unit test charge q naught into the field, right? That is at a place B. Therefore there is a small amount of work is said to be done. You write like this, there is a small amount of work is said to be done by the moving of minus f into dx. Any problem? Why minus? Because it is moving opposite, no? Opposite to the field. there is an acting opposite, or else you want to say like this also, f dot dx. So dw is equal to f dx cos theta, and here force and displacements are in opposite. The first here, work done by a positive, work done by a negative. If you take a theta 90, suppose you want to clear explanation, then you go like this. So that dw is equal to f dx cos 180. Of course, we know cos 180 is minus 1. So it is like this. Okay, it is a small amount of work is said to be done by the moving of charge from a point A to B against the field. Now let you calculate the total work done. Right, move from A to P point at a distance r is asking, so that we should get a total work done. Sir, we are actually moving from where? From infinite to till a point P, so that at a distance r, no, you take a limits r from till infinite to r, because is asking find a potential at a point in a field. The potential statement is nothing but a V is equal to W by Q naught. So this is the electrical potential statement, right? You say this is the equation 2, right? So now we have to find a W. After getting the work done, you substitute here, then we'll get the potential at a point in the field. Now we know small amount of work is done. Small amount of work is done. Now you find a total work done. You take like this, total work done. Total work done by the moving of this Q naught into a field. So that you apply integration dw is equal to integral from infinite to r we are moving, that is minus f into dx. See, of course, integral dw is nothing but a w, and here minus integral infinite to r, f we know k into q naught by x square. K q naught by x square. Of course, we know k is nothing but a 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. Every time I am telling you k is nothing but a 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. Instead of writing 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught, you write a k, because it is very easy, right? So you take w is equal to minus k q naught is common, it is dx is there, from infinite to r 1 by x square dx. Now let us look at here 1 by x square integration we have to take. So before that, there is a one mathematical identity, x power n dx. See, x power n plus 1 by n plus 1, it is like this we can. So that power to be added 1, and by denominator also the power plus 1. Now you take here work done is equal to, very simple, it is minus k q naught, right? See, integral from infinite to r. This x square you take like this, from denominator to numerator, the sign will changes. So that the work done is equal to minus k q naught. See, look at x power n is nothing but a, what is there? Minus 2. So here you write x power minus 2 plus 1 by minus 2 plus 1. Similar, look at n plus 1 by n plus 1. N place minus 2 is there, that's all. So that here you take like this, then the final will be work done is equal to minus k q naught q x power minus 1 by minus 1 from infinite to r. So minus of minus becomes cancelled, k q into 1 by x from infinite to r, because minus x power minus 1 is there, no? Then you take into denominator, therefore it is becomes plus. Now you substitute the limits, that is k q naught 1 by r minus 1 by infinite. Therefore work done is equal to k q naught q by r it is. This is the work done, you say third equation. Simple. This work done you substitute in this expression. Simple. This is your substitute in here. Work done k q naught q by r, no? So here you substitute q naught will cancel. So from 3 and 2, V is equal to W k q naught q by r into q naught. So that the work done by the electric potential, that is we can say V is equal to k q by r, that is V is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q by r. Here it is due to a point charge, it is electrical potential due to a point charge, V is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q by r, or V is equal to k q by r. right? Like this we can take. So you look at, once you see the derivation, if clear, shall I explain once again? Simple way. See, actually when there is a one charge is placed, because it is for 4 marks, when charge plus q is placed at a point A, due to this charge till x distance, the field is acting till a point A, right? And now let us you bring a unit a positive test charge. It is a test charge is bringing from an infinite, and it is placed at a point A. Yes, of course there will be an opposition, work is said to be done. Work done is nothing but we can say work done per unit of positive test charge is nothing but a potential. Now he is asking find the electric potential at a point in the field. Now you assume or you say at a point P, now we are finding the potential, that is V is question mark. Before that we should know the work done, right? And before that we should know the force between the plus Q and Q naught. So that the F is equal to, due to the Coulomb's law, F is equal to K Q naught by x square. Of course K is nothing but this. Work done by the moving unit of positive test charge Q naught into the field. So again it is moved from A to B, there will be a work done is equal to F dot dx. There will force and displacements are in opposite direction, so that the theta is 180, then F dx cos 180 minus. This is the work done by a charge Q naught is moved from A to B. Work done moving a charge Q naught A to B. Now we have to find this. Now you find the total work done, which is moving from infinite to till a point this. The point is located from O is R. That's what you take. Limits are infinite to R. Right? There will be a work done dW is equal to minus integral infinite to R f into dx. So f will be no kq naught by x square. You write here. Because there is a distance only changing. Because the charged particle is moving from one point to another point, no? Only distance or displacement is changing. You take only integration for the displacement, then q naught is take a common from infinite to r 1 by x square dx. So there will be a formula for mathematical identity x power n dx, x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. Here also same, because it is in the I mean to say in a denominator is there, you take into the numerator, therefore the sign will change, x power minus 2. Now here n is equal to minus 2 is there, you write minus 2 plus 1 by minus 2 plus 1. The limits are infinite to r. Now let us go minus k q naught q, minus 2 plus 1, that is becomes minus 1, minus 2 plus 1 becomes minus 1. So minus minus is cancelled, minus minus is cancelled, k q naught q by 1 by x infinite to r. Now you go k q naught q, here you substitute limits 1 by r minus 1 by infinite. So w is equal to k q naught q by r. So from 3 and 4, V is equal to k q naught q naught is cancelled. So V is equal to k q by r. Then the potential will be due to a point charge. This is the answer related to the 4 marks. Right? For electric potential, it is in the air medium. We can say the charge is placed in the air medium. Sometimes he may ask you in a other medium. Of course we know. For that also I will give you the equation. Let us see, apart from air, because there is a 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught is nothing but we can say the charge is in the some air or a vacuum. Right. So V is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q by r. Right? It is in like free space, not. Suppose you want to say in a medium, therefore you say it is a naught 1 by 4 pi epsilon q by r. Q by r. But we know dielectrical constant, or we can say epsilon or relative permittivity is equal to epsilon by epsilon naught. So it is k is equal to, or it is cross multiply, like we can Now you replace here. So 1 by 4 pi k epsilon naught q by r, right? Now, so here the v in a medium is equal to 1 by k into 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q by r. So 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q by r is nothing but a v naught. Then you say in any medium if it is, therefore the potential is becomes v naught by k. Like we know electric field also. Electric field also represented E is equal to V naught E naught by K, and force also represented, you remember this all, it is F naught by K. It is related to the field, it is related to the force, it is related to the potential, right? So that here we can say the issues are like this. Clear? Now coming to the point is, so now again here also we have to find a potential due to multiple charges. Of course we know potential due to, due to multiple charges. Force we know, that is we can add all, like a field also we know, like we also add all. Here also same, due to charges, due to multiple charges, the potential at a point. Side heading you write like this, potential at a point due to system of charges. Potential due to potential at a point due to system of charges, right? So that here due to a system of charges, no, you take it at one point at a point O, there is a one charge q1 is the positive charge, therefore the potential is acting towards a O, and this distance is located at distance is r1, and here that the potential will be v1 is acting at this point O only due to single isolated or point charge. You go for the second charge q2, and there will be a potential is v2 is acting and distance is r2. Because it is a system of charges, no, there are number of charges. You say q3 and the distance is r3, there will be a potential is v3. Like you take q3 and r3, there will be a potential is v3. It is r4 you take v4. Like you go for q4 r4, and it is, we can say it is v means 5 it is, like, and so on it is acting. Of course we should add all potential, so that let us at a point O, a total potential V is equal to V1 plus V2 plus V3 plus and so on. So whatever the number we are taking, supposed to add all potential, so that here V1 right, V1 due to this, here you want write V1 K Q1 by R it is, shall I? 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 by R1 you say like due to Q V2 K Q2 by R2, like you say V3 is equal to K Q3 by R3 and so on. So that you write here first one K Q1 by R1 plus K Q2 by R2 plus K Q3 by R3 and so on it is. This is the system of charges, which we can say due to a system of charges, the potential will be, we are taking a what? Number, n number we are taking, right? You go through this like this only, right? So about this due to a system of charges, the potential will be like this. Now coming to the next one, see again we have to find a null point. Already we know the null point in case of a field and in case of a force also. Again in this also we have to find the potential. Let us null point. You take as null point. See, null point is nothing but there must be at a point it is exists as zero potential. It may be between the two charges or it may be outside the charges. See, actually we have two null points. If suppose two unlike charges are separated by a distance d, therefore we'll get the two null points, that is the two 0 points will get. See, one point between the two charges, other point is outside or near to the closer charge, smaller charge. That means here let us two unlike charges are separated like this, plus q minus q. So there is a question is, one is between the two charges, another is what happens, another is it is outside. Outside when we'll get, see the outside is when there is a charge is smaller. One charge is smaller, therefore the point will get outside the two charges and which is very close to the smaller charge. That's what. Here these two charges are separated by distances r, right? And here there will be a potential is at a point is 0, you say like this, at this point. So that distance is, you say x, and this distance is r minus x, because total minus this. Due to a, due to plus q, you write. A potential V1 is equal to k q plus q by, that is x square, I mean to say x it is, right? It is, you say q1 and it is, you say q2. Simple. You take in terms of q1 and q2, right? You say it is an expression 1. And coming to the due to minus q charge or q2 charge, V2 is equal to k q2 by r minus x, equation 2. Here actually we know there will be a we can take directly equal, we can equal it, that is it is actually minus q charge, then V1 plus V2 is equal to 0, because sum of this potential due to this charge is acting V1, due to this potential is acting V2. So according to the potential due to multiple charges, the potential due to q1 is V1 is acting, due to q2 is V2 is acting. So the sum of the potentials is equal to total potential, but at this point is the potential is 0. So that V1 plus V2 is equal to 0. You write here V1 plus V2 both k q1 by x minus k q2 by r minus x is equal to 0. Then you take this side, we may get q1 by x is equal to k q2 by r minus x. So k cancel. q1 by x is equal to q2 by r minus x. Actually we have to find the x, right? Then you cross multiply, r minus x by x is equal to q2 by q1. So r by x minus 1 is equal to q2 by q1. Then r by x is equal to q2 by q1 plus 1, right? They are asking x, no? X is equal to r by q2 by q1 plus 1. This is the null point between the two charges. It is here we are getting a between the two charges. Suppose if you say like this, q1 is less than q2. See, when q1 less than q2, no, therefore the null point is obtained very close to the q1 and it is outside. Suppose you say q1 and q2, there is a distance is r and the point is obtained at a point is outside and which is very close to the smaller charge. So at this point is potentially 0. Now you say from this it is r plus x. Again q1 due to potential is v1, q2 due to potential is v2. At this point is v is equal to v1 plus v2. Of course here it is 0 is equal to v1 plus. See, everything is same. The derivation part is remains the same. The derivation part is remains the same. So that here you say again it is, we know v1 v2, again you take from here same. V1 and V2 are the same, but here it is take r plus x, because the distance q2 is at r plus x, no? Simple. V1 is equal to k q by q1 by x, V2 is equal to k q2 by r plus x. Simple. You substitute here, it is a minus q, no? Then we'll get k q1 by x is equal to k q2 by r plus x. Now I am giving direct. See, from here same, look at q1 by x is equal to q2 by r plus x. Yeah, we'll get the final expression, x is equal to, after simplify, r by q2 by q1 minus 1, that's all. Here is the plus is there, no? It is between, and here outside will get minus. This is the simple change, simple change for the null point. So the null point is to be obtained at 2 points, one is between the two charges, one more is outside the two charges. Here outside when we'll get, when the one charge is less than the other charge. so that other charge, near to other charge the point will get. So this is about a null point, right? See, this is a today's class, and we'll see in the next class. So related to this, again we have some other problems, and as well as we have other derivations in case of electric potential, right? So this is the today's class. Thank you very much. We'll see in the next class.